Does anyone know someone who's always angry? Yeah. You know that kind of person you say to them on Monday at school or college, while they're like, do you want me to bang you out? You know that kind of character. Yeah. And I thought to myself, why are you always angry? And then I got it, 4 words. 4 words. Hurt people, hurt people.
My name is Hassan Salim. I am the Youth Coordinator at Community and Solid Ground, which is a youth organisation based in South Manchester. I've been in this role for about 4 years. Our aim is to empower, engage, and also inspire the young people in our local community and also the wider community.
Everyone, repeat what I say, yeah? Red. Red. Blue. Blue. Red. 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 What colour is the car? Red. Red. Blue. No. Blue. Everything. You're supposed to repeat after me. Oh.
We delivered this project because we thought it was very important to empower and give young people knowledge and understanding of what youth violence and extremism is, and also how it could massively affect them. We have put out 3 events. The first one was delivered by Radiox, a practitioner, executive trainer from Birmingham. He came down to do an interactive workshop with the young people talking about minors' violence.
Very quickly, because I'm meant to do some research, could you all just, don't need to take your phones out, could you all just show me how you hold your phones, please? Just show me with your hand. Okay, look around. Look around, interesting. Because the last time I checked, if I'm right, the last time I checked, we used to hold our phones like this. Yeah, every single one of you was like this. So and what you missed also is on the bottom here. What's that? Off what? Snapchat. So instead of young people helping him live, they're filming him die. So he's dead on Snapchat before his mum knows he's been shanked. He's dead on Snapchat before the ambulance even gets there. Because we're so infatuated with capturing everything that we forget the human.
The second project was delivered by Ishmael Lee South, practitioner from the Salam Project, based in London. He came down to do an interactive workshop on extremism, understanding and challenging extremism and hate.
Okay, now what can we do as a community to challenge extremism and radicalisation?
Do more workshops, like stuff like this about Islam and stuff, so they can have more knowledge.
The third and final artist that we brought in was called Thomason. He's a star of CBBC TV, and the reason why we brought him in was because we felt like our young people needed someone to come in and inspire them in a different type of way, and to give them, hope, because Thomason didn't only come in to do what he's very good at. So his profession is comedian, and he came in to share his life experiences, the challenges he's been through in life, and also the success, the way he climbed up, where he came from. It was really powerful.
When someone is taking their dreams, right? Don't laugh, because you don't know. They're thinking, they might feel real hard about it, dreamt about that, If that wasn't their dancer, it must be a dancer. Do you know who one of the most successful dancers is in the world? Chris Brown. One of the most successful dancers in the world. Do you know how rich he is? Do you know how rich Chris Brown is?
The main reason why we decided to bring these 3 artists and practitioners were obviously to give our young people hope, give them knowledge of what's going on around youth violence and extremism, and to just empower them as well. Delivering this session didn't only benefit young people, it also benefited myself, other staff and volunteers as well. It was really nice. It was also really nice to see young people from different ethnic backgrounds, different wards come together and work well with each other. I'd like to say a big thank you to Manchester City Council and also Radequal for giving us this opportunity to deliver these sessions, because obviously without you guys, really and truly, we wouldn't have made a change.